next one we want to cover is Ugly Cats. And Ugly Cats, it's not an NFT you can buy yet.
Nope, hasn't minted.
And they're also the founders, I think, of Stone Foxes.
Yes.
But what we have is Ugly Daddy and HissoCat. And they are what I would call partnership and marketing gurus, but they're definitely database expert too. Ugly Daddy is a programmer and pretty sharp, and they've built some things they call stacking.
Right. It's a different type of staking.
Yeah.
And, oh boy, let's see here. Normally, there's two types of staking. There's hard staking, cold staking. Hard staking is when you give up your custody of your NFT and it goes somewhere and then it earns some type of reward over time. Okay. Then cold staking, or soft staking, soft staking is when you prove by using your wallet that you have them to a website, and then it goes, okay, we record this wallet with these NFT token addresses, and then all of a sudden you start earning coins or whatever over a time period.
Right.
Okay. Now what they've done is they've done stacking. Okay, which is we're going to have to use the Angry Sharks example to explain this.
The databasing of what is staked, and that may be soft or hard staked, but that would be with the NFT boss or NFT founder or the NFT team. Ugly Cats does not hold the NFTs.
No.
They track them. So you stake them by stacking in their database.
Right.
The information about the NFTs, and you may send the NFTs to a wallet holder. That's what we did with Angry Sharks, is sent it to the wallet holder that is the NFT boss or founder that wants them staked. But it offers a bunch of reward value that NFT bosses don't have to build, that they already have, that they can build coins, tokenomics, some gaming, and some store purchase type stuff. And
right.
You and I have both already benefited from the Angry Sharks doing that.
Yes. And what Ugly Cats does that's different than everybody else with their staking is that they're using Discord for this.
Yes.
They're not creating a website. They're not creating like another third-party entity on the metaverse or the internet anywhere. They're just using Discord, and you use a / command stake.
Economic system that they built for Discord, and I think it's the first one like that. It says that on their roadmap, but I haven't seen anything like it. And it's pretty sweet. I got a half a soul back for really doing nothing.
Me too.
By having them staked. You too. And I got some NFTs. I got 3 different NFTs that I didn't have before. But the system itself is something that can be easily implemented so other NFTs can have those qualities as well.
Right. So if you're an NFT project that's starting out and you don't want the big expense of paying for a staking program like Floppy Labs that just launched, and I'm not saying that they're expensive. I'm just saying that if you just want to keep costs low in the beginning, what you can do is you can use Ugly Cats as the database and tracking. And then as the NFT project, you'd be the custodian if you wanted to hard stake it. Mm-hmm. And so that's how Angry Sharks did it. And I think it's great. It worked really well. I mean,
and Paperhands.rip is working on a vault as well that would go pretty well with that.
Yeah. Oh, the staking. Yeah. And so, but with that, we get Shark Coin, and that's the tokenomics. So, I get like 330, I think, coins a day based off of my 56, 57, whatever it is, probably 56 or 55 sharks. And so there's some things that you can do. They do like a daily. If you go onto their Discord, you do /daily, then you'll get like 5 coins or whatever.
And there's little random games too, where you can, if you want to mine some of those coins,
right?
You can roll dice.
Pick a number.
Pick a number. I know there's dig. Just dig me up some coins.
Right.
And you can run some commands and mine some coins and some different games and things like that.
And they limit you on a daily basis, so you just don't sit there for 15 hours, racking up all these coins.
And if you have things staked and stacked in the database,
right,
then you don't have to come back every day and play with this thing. You can come back every now and then and claim and check your balance and see what you have and see what's in the store to see if you want to in our case, each buy half a soul, and I'll probably get to up to where I can buy a whole soul at some point, and it's just basically residual income coming on back.
Get free mint on an ugly cat. There's a free whitelisting. You and I are ugly cat.
Golden.
We're
Golden
Ugly-
Club.
Golden members or whatever.
So you get to that level, and you get a little bit of extra coin and extra access to some things. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, the Ugly Golden Club. There we go. That's what I want to make sure we said right.
And you can buy your way into those benefits with coin.
Right. Yeah. And it's just what I find interesting is that I go on there every day. I dig every day. So and if I don't, I'm usually at a travel ball baseball tournament. But I dig and I claim and I do all that stuff every day, and I just see what I
get there
quicker.
quicker.
You just get there quicker, but they have the store there on stuff that I want to get. So I mean, I want to get that. I want to get.
Doesn't take a lot of time to do those things either. I usually just go in every day or 2 days, go do that, hit my 10 digs on the Sharks, 20 digs in the Golden Club,
right?
And sometimes that's like 50.
You know what? I think I just figured out what you guys are doing. They are going to set this up. So if you're an NFT project, they'll have the database set up for you.
Yeah.
And then, because what makes an NFT project really successful is having every member come back every day.
When you think about the ones that rug or the ones that just fizzle out.
Yeah. Well, they lose momentum.
The community gets lost because there isn't anything of value for them to do. Right. Now, for some people, that's chatting. And that's fine. I like to get on there and chat every now and then on some of the servers for sure. But if I'm coming back to do something productive that provides a little passive income, gives me a little bit more coin to do something in their store, or that's fun for me too. When they have all those things, a little bit of gambling with the coins, right. When they have all of those things, the projects. I
really hope that's what you guys are doing with this, because that's a huge utility.
The projects will pay closer attention. The people that minted in the projects will come back if there's something to come back about that.
If Ugly Cats, if you guys take those databases and you can import them or distribute them to these NFT project discords, you guys can charge a lot of money for that.
Well, we've had fun playing with it for sure.
Yeah, I mean, well, I'm just looking at my own activity, and I'm busy, and I've got tons of projects, but I'm always hitting that every day.
And now I want to see what they do with Stone Foxes, which is a little bit more, a little edgier conversation in there, and but I would say stoner friendly.
Yeah,
there's lots of.
I can't wait for Stone Foxes to come out and reveal what they're going to be doing. I did see the store sheet; they're selling NFTs in there, but I think there's going to be more. I just feel like that's like a teaser.
Yeah, I think so.